One of the biggest problems companies face that want to go into additive manufacturing is finding the right parts. Because the right part needs to be technically feasible for printing, as well as being a good business case. Because in the end, everybody's running a business. That's why we at 3YOURMIND built the AM Part Identifier, a software that can score a part's AM suitability based on technological and economic criteria. Our algorithms are developed together with AM engineers that have many years of experience evaluating parts for additive manufacturing. Inventory analysis is the quickest way of finding the right use cases, because with AMPI we can analyze hundreds of thousands of parts very quickly based on different criteria. All evaluation criteria can be adjusted in their weighting and how you score the parts. We can process data from various different systems like SAP ERP or PLM systems. And because AMPI is linked directly to your database, we can give you updates whenever any of your parts change in their life cycle. So that, for example, if parts go into the aftermarket, we can highlight when they become good AM use cases. For companies that don't have a large parts database or need to be working with very old data, we offer use case screening. Employees can directly upload their ideas for additively manufactured parts online. The software provides an instant AM suitability assessment, so your employees can learn to recognize the characteristics of AM parts. The most promising use cases are forwarded to your AM expert team for full analysis. We developed the AM Part Identifier because our customers need it. Better AM parts mean a stronger AM department and a stronger bottom line, which in the end is something we can all relate to.